Today we will be testing the MDX free buy sell confirmation indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MDX free buy sell confirmation indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 97 different strategies, with 28 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve an 84% win rate. We have also tested a total of 922 indicators, with 383 of them being winners. The best one so far we're able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 107 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now, if you're interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we're testing the MDX free buy sell confirmation indicator, and we actually tested this one in the last video. And one of the viewers made a comment that we were looking at the wrong thing to get the buy sell signals. And so if we go into the settings here, you can see that the diamonds here were listed as the buy and sell symbols essentially. And so this was what I was going off of as far as what the buy and sell signal was. But if you actually go to the indicators page and read through it a little bit deeper, you can see that they make mention that the buy and sell signals are actually the green and red arrows. And so what we have are these arrows right here, the green and red arrows. And so the diamonds themselves are actually a confirmation of a buy or sell signal. And so figured what we would do is just go ahead and do another test on this indicator to see if this helps the win rate. Now, of course, from the source video, as I mentioned yesterday, the original video claims that this is the best buy sell indicator on Tradingview and that it has, I believe it was a 99% win rate. And so that's why we chose to test this one in the first place, to see if it can hold up to that. So it will be interesting to see what it can do using these actual buy sell arrows instead in this case. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. Alright, the first signal that we pick up is a buy signal. You can see that we get that green arrow right here, and we make a nice long push to the upside there, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so the next signal that we picked up was a short signal. You can see that we get that red arrow right there for the short, and we make a little bit of a push to the upside, and then look like we just run straight into consolidation, but this was enough of a push to the downside to get us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a Tradingview indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Alright, so we have the 4 trades now within the 1 year's time. And out of those 4 trades, we got 2 winning trades, and put us at a 50% win rate. And so I believe that does get us a better win rate than we got in yesterday's video, but definitely nowhere near the 99% win rate that the source video claims that it's going to give us. And so I'm still kind of conflicted with this indicator. It did seem as though it was giving some better signals than it did in the last video, with the exception of this one right here. Not such a great signal there, but this short signal right here, you can see the market did go down and would have definitely gotten some decent profit. We just got caught in a pullback that would have stopped us out. We got a nice push to the downside here, which was pretty much just a continuation. This one here was a continuation of kind of this downward movement after this consolidation for a few months, and this was a nice push to the upside. So it definitely seemed like it did better in this video using it this way than it did in yesterday's video. And so that does give it a little bit better kind of advantage. Now 50%, not so great. 4 trades within the 1 year's time, also not great, but wouldn't be bad to just kind of have it on screen, maybe as a third confirmation indicator or something like that. Just kind of see maybe if it would throw a signal right as your other strategy and indicators are giving you a signal. And so something along those lines. But nonetheless, it is going to stay on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.